Have you ever gone to Uniswap, tried to find a token that you wanted to trade, but it didn't show up when you searched for it? Well, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can't trade it on Uniswap. And there's another way that you can do this, because sometimes things aren't going to show up in the search, even if you know the name of what you're looking for. And in those cases, what you need to do is find the token contract and the token contract address, which is the string of 18 letters and numbers. And so if you've heard about some token that you want to try your hand at trading, you need to get access to the actual contract address, and you can find this on places like Twitter or Discord or wherever the devs are that have released this token. They'll probably have a link somewhere to the token contract number. And as long as you copy that number and then go back over to Uniswap, you can paste it in and it will show up. Now, this one comes up with an exclamation mark because there's probably no liquidity for this token, and this is a total shitcoin that I'm aware of, but I'm pretty sure has zero value, completely zero value. But the point is, you can repeat this process with any token. As long as you get the token contract address, you can go back to Uniswap or whatever trading app you're using, you can paste it in the search bar and it will show up, even if you can't find it when you simply search for the name of the token. Now, before you make a swap, especially if it's into a kind of sketchy meme coin, you want to make sure that the price impact and the slippage is low, and you want to make sure that there's liquidity in this as well. So if you go back to the token contract address, actually, you can check out the market chart for this token and you can see if there is actually any trading happening. And in this case, you can see there's very, very little activity. And if I scroll down here, you can see that the last sell was 26 days ago. So there's no liquidity in this liquidity pool. And I wouldn't recommend actually making this trade here. But the point is, you can find whatever token you're looking for by just pasting the 18-digit contract address in the search bar, even if it doesn't show up when you search for the name.